Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these candy cane cupcakes. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the cupcakes, so grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter and your sugar and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. For me this normally takes between 5 and 7 minutes. So once your butter and sugar mixture has come to the right consistency, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs, one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful not to scramble the mixture. While the mixer is still going, you can then add in your extracts. I would just use some peppermint and some vanilla and mix until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just the perfect time to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients and mix this on a low speed to start with, working you out to a medium-high speed. You may find that the mixture looks a little bit dry or isn't coming together as well. Then add in a tablespoon of milk until you achieve the perfect consistency. It should look at something like this. Once you've achieved this, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this again is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and transfer the batter into your muffin or cupcake liners, which should be filled about 3/4 of the way full. Place into your preheated oven and bake them off. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So while your cupcakes are baking in the oven, you can go ahead and make the buttercream. So for that, grab yourself a medium-sized saucepan, place in your sugar and water and whisk the two together until they are fully combined. Then place it on the hob. While you're waiting for that to come up to temperature, you can go ahead and grab yourself a mixing bowl. And into the mixing bowl, place in your egg yolks and your whole egg and whisk until the mixture is lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you've achieved this, you can then go ahead and add in your hot sugar syrup, being careful not to get this on your skin as otherwise it will burn, so turn the speed right down and add it in. Once you've added all of that and the bottom of the bowl is cool, you can then start to add in your butter. At first it may not look like it's coming together, but don't worry, once all the butter is added it should come together and look like this. Yours may be a bit lighter or a bit darker, it just depends on the quality of your eggs. Then give your bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Split the mixture roughly 50-50, and you'll want to colour both halves. So I coloured one half white and one with red, and with the red one I placed some peppermint extract in, and with the white one I added vanilla extract. This is just to get the two-tone and two-tone flavour. When it comes to piping two-tone icing, you can do it two ways. I just place blobs of the buttercream into the same piping bag with the same nozzle, but you can also split it and do 50-50. However you want to do it whichever way. Then just pipe onto your cupcakes. As you can tell, the first one came out with predominantly red, but then as you go along you do get this more pink, which is the red and white swirled together. To finish them off, once you've got the buttercream piped on, you can then go ahead and use some sprinkles. I'm using these Halo sprinkles with the OCD Christmas mix, which is the perfect mix for these cupcakes. Sprinkle over as many or as few sprinkles as you would like. Again, this is completely up to you, and finish each cupcake with a mini candy cane. So as you can tell, these cupcakes are perfect for Christmas. You've got all the festive flavours and colours there, so why not make a batch and share them with your friends and family this holiday season. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.